Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you my new project, plant leaf disease detection. This project comprises of two essential parts, a user-friendly website and a convenient Android application. The system has an ability to detect plant disease accurately, simply with the help of pictures, all thanks to TensorFlow. Now let's explore each component in detail. Firstly, let's take a look at the website interface. The website is user-friendly, where you can upload photo of the crop and you will get the classified disease that it has. Let's quickly run the website first. So here we are on our website. We have got the navigation buttons here, so you can navigate easily between the home page and the analysis tab. So here we have got this beautiful animation. Let's quickly see the functioning of this website now. We have got the upload image button through which you can upload the image. Next we have this drop down menu through which you can select the crop type. Next you just have to click the button below to analyze. Here we have selected an image which is of cotton. Next we will select cotton plants from the drop down menu and click analyze. As you can see, we have got the correct result. Let's quickly try one more image. We have selected a diseased grape leaf. As you can see, we have got our result. Currently, you can detect the disease of these 9 plants. Let's quickly see the working of this project. We have created TensorFlow models for each plant. Next, we have specified the class labels for each model. A specific model is selected based on the drop-down menu selection. And next, the image that is uploaded is then tested using the model. Now, let's shift our focus to the Android application. With this app, you have the power of disease detection right in your pocket. Imagine being out in the field and capturing an image with your phone and receiving an instant analysis. That's the convenience this app brings to the table. The goal is to provide farmers with a tool that simplifies the process of identifying and managing plant diseases. So this is the basic layout of the application. We have got the name and the logo of the app. Then we have this toggle button. This toggle button helps to change the language from English to the regional language Marathi if you want. Next we have this drop down menu through which you can select the crop type. Next we have this square where your selected image will be displayed. And at last we have two buttons to select, that is to upload the photo and next to predict the photo. Let's quickly run this code and see how it looks on the emulator. Let's move on to the phone screen so that I can show you the functioning more clearly. So here is our app. Let's select one of the image and test it. Here you can see the result. Let's check it again by toggling the language. As you can see, it works well. Let's take a live test with it. So, we are here to test our application. Let's quickly select the plant type and click a picture.
That is it, friends.